Hey everyone! For its price range, the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S20 Plus is a cutting-edge robotic vacuum cleaner with an amazing feature set. This type has two revolving mop cloths that automatically elevate when they come into contact with carpets, a powerful suction, and an advanced object detecting system. For consumers looking for a multi-purpose cleaning solution, these properties make it an appealing choice. Xiaomi has made sure that the filtering system, including the HEPA filter, is washable, and the dustbin is situated beneath the top cover. The mopping pad's moisture content can be adjusted by users thanks to an electronic water regulation mechanism. The vacuum is also equipped with a carpet sensor and 4 wall sensors, which increase its surface versatility. The Xiaomi S20 Plus's ability to automatically raise its mop cloths when moving onto carpets is one of its best features. This has the major benefit of not getting carpets wet while mopping. To prevent wet pads from leaving stains on the floor close to the docking station, the cloth holders stay raised both when the robot travels to its cleaning destination and when it returns to charge. Although actual testing indicates that the Xiaomi S20 Plus's performance is comparable to that of its competitors rather than surpassing expectations, the maker says that the device has improved suction power. The robot successfully maps out the room's perimeter before cleaning in a snake-like manner, according to navigation tests. It exhibits a high degree of precision as it carefully avoids obstructions like furniture legs and household objects. Nevertheless, even though it has enough clearance, it occasionally fails to slide beneath tables. The Xiaomi S20 Plus's battery performance is yet another advantage. It lasted 96 minutes and covered 108 square meters at maximum suction power with wet cleaning turned on. This indicates that it can manage several cleaning cycles for a typical 70 square meter two-room dwelling. Tests of suction power show some differences in performance as stated and as it actually occurs. The vacuum has trouble cleaning a 2 mm deep gap in both the silent and standard modes. The outcomes were not much better, even in turbo mode. Like other round robots, it has trouble cleaning corners. But on hard floors, the cleaning quality is on pace with other models in the same range. Despite its general effectiveness, the object detection system occasionally misidentifies dirt as an obstruction, which stops the vacuum from cleaning particular areas. The quality of the carpet cleaning is sufficient. Despite having less suction power than stated, the vacuum works effectively on medium-pile carpets and manages low-pile carpets without any problems. During mopping sessions, the robot is properly outfitted to tackle carpets. There are other options available to users, such as moving over carpets without using the mop function, avoiding carpets, or automatically raising the mop. So the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S20 Plus offers a robust feature set at a reasonable cost. Its navigation, object identification, and mopping skills make it a good option, even though its suction power is not as strong as promised. It is especially well-suited for those seeking a reasonably priced, intelligent, and effectively cleaning robotic vacuum. For a more potent cleaning experience, customers looking for the strongest suction force might want to look at other options, such as the DreamBot L10S Pro Gen 2. However, the S20 Plus provides a great blend of ease and capability for its pricing. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day and God bless you.